Every connected device starts with a chip, and every chip is a potential attack surface. Once a hardware vulnerability reaches the field, it can't simply be patched away. That's why hardware-rooted trust has become essential for IoT, automotive, defense, and critical infrastructure worldwide. This is where hardware security testing makes the difference. At Briskinfosec, we assess your devices across every critical layer, from physical interfaces and firmware to wireless protocols, identifying vulnerabilities before your products ever reach the market. It's a level of hardware security testing that only a handful of firms worldwide can deliver, providing the evidence regulators, boards, and CISOs now expect. We begin with reconnaissance, understanding your hardware exactly as an attacker would before any active testing begins. Next comes firmware extraction, securely analyzing the firmware to uncover hidden weaknesses. Then interface testing, evaluating exposed ports and hardware interfaces for exploitable risks. Finally, radio and protocol analysis, validating wireless communication and translating every technical finding into clear business impact. Throughout the engagement, you'll have complete visibility into every finding, every recommendation, and every milestone, so security progress is always transparent. Briskinfosec, building trust into hardware before it reaches the world.